Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful strategy you can use to make a very good amount of money in the market. This particular strategy is a very powerful one, very simple and also very accurate. Even though you're a beginner trader, you can actually use this strategy to make a consistent amount of money for yourself in the market. I've tried out this strategy for over a week now and it has been giving me a consistent winning rate. I've also tried out the best time you can trade this strategy, the best time frame you can actually use, and the best candle time frame you can also use. Everything I'm going to be laying down right here on this video. I've also shared this strategy with some of my inner circle students. They actually try it out and they get back to me telling me that this strategy pretty much works over 80%. That is the reason why I have to come right here to share it with you, so you can also use this strategy to make a very good amount of money for yourself in the market. The only thing I want from you is to watch this video to the end, because most of you don't watch videos to the end. In the middle of the video there are certain secrets I always release that could help you increase your winning rate. If you only watch the first trade and you leave the video, or you watch the explanation and you leave the video, you might not be able to enhance your trade or increase your winning rate. You have to watch this video to the end so that you can be able to see certain things I always put in place before I take a trade, so that you can also do the same thing to enhance your winning rate. So I do recommend you watch this video to the end. This strategy is a very simple one and it works both on OTC market and on real market. So right here we're going to be setting up our indicators. I'm going to come over to the indicator section right here, and the first indicator I'm going to be using is the moving average indicator. I'm going to be using the Stochastic Oscillator, and I'm going to be using the Supertrend indicator. These are the three indicators I'm going to be using with this strategy. The settings of my first indicator, which is the moving average indicator, comes with the period of 10 moving average SMA. Right here on the style level, we're going to be using it on green color. I'm going to be using it on 3 pixels. Reasons why we're using it on 3 pixels is because we want it to be pretty much stronger, so we can be able to see the visibility. I hope you're getting that right. So when you're done, just click on save. With our super trend indicator, it comes with the settings with the ATR period of 10, the multiplier as 3. Right here on the style level, we're going to be using these default colors. The up color is going to be red color, while the down color is going to be a green color. We're going to be using them on 2 pixels each. So when you're done, just click on save. With our Stochastic Oscillator, it comes with the settings of the key period of 14, the D period as 3, while the smoothing period as 3. The moving average, we're going to be using SMA. Then right here on the style level, we're going to be using these colors right at this particular point. I'm going to be turning them on 2 pixels each. We're going to be turning them on 2 pixels each. Do ensure you do that. Then once you're done, just click on save. So these are just all about the indicator settings. So with this strategy, I'm actually going to make use of the normal Japanese candlestick. I'm going to be using a 30 seconds candle time frame. Right here, I'm going to be using it on 2-minute straight time. I hope you're getting that right. So that is all you need to take note regarding this strategy. So this strategy is a very simple one, as I've said, and this is how it works. In the case of a buy trade, what you need to put into consideration is the consistency of your candlestick. That is to say, you must be able to see a consistency of candlestick lining up above the moving average line. Immediately you see your candlestick above the moving average line, the next thing you need to see also is your super trend indicator. You need to see a signal that is a buy signal in the case of a buy trade from your super trend indicator, and it has to be indicating that you should be buying in the market. The next thing you also need to put into consideration is your stochastic oscillator. You need to see your stochastic oscillator in the overbought condition, signaling that the market is already in the overbought condition, giving you another good confirmation to take a trade in the market. I hope you're getting that right. So in the case of a sell trade, what you need to put into consideration also is the consistency of a candlestick. You need to see your consistency of a candlestick right at this particular level. Immediately you see that, do ensure they are below the moving average line. Once you see that, again, you need to confirm your sell signal from your super trend indicator, and you need to see your stochastic oscillator in the oversold condition, giving you another good confirmation. And not only that, again, you also need to consider the trend. All these and many more we're going to be talking about in this video. That is why I do advise you to watch this video to the end, so that you can be able to enhance your winning rate and make a very good amount of money in the market. So guys, right here, I'm going to go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here, we're looking out for a buying opportunity right here. Let me enter trade position right at this particular level. I'm entering this trade with $300 right at this particular level. So before I explain, I would like to let you guys know this. For those of you that always ask what is the best time to trade a strategy, the best time to trade a strategy depends on the country you are. You can be able to try out different time that actually works pretty much well for you. But the best thing I do advise you is that anytime you are trading the strategy, do ensure the market is stable. That is to say, there are enough stronger candlestick in the market before you place the trade. Hope you're getting that right. So the reasons why we're taking a buy trade right at this particular level is pretty much simple. The first thing we considered right here is the consistency of a candlestick above the moving average line. You can see right here we have a consistency of a candlestick right here, and not only that guys, we saw a buying signal from our Supertrend indicator, which indicate that we should be able to buy right here in the market. Not only that guys, we also see our Stochastic Oscillator in the overbought condition, which also signals a very good opportunity for us to buy in the market. That's the reasons why we're placing a trade right at this particular point. I hope you're getting it right. This is pretty much simple. Another thing you also see right here is that we're actually on an uptrend. As you can see right here, we make a very good profit right here. This is actually an uptrend. One thing I really want you to notice that if you want to buy in the market, do ensure the market is overall in an uptrend. That is to say, the market is going in an upward direction, forming a higher highs and a higher lows. I hope you're getting that right. So when the market is in an uptrend, that is when you should be looking out for a buying opportunity. And when the market is in a downtrend, that is when you should be looking out for a selling opportunity. I hope you're getting that right. All this, you need to put them into consideration because it's going to really help you to enhance your trade and incur a very good win in the market. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again to find an opportunity. When I do, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here we're looking out for another opportunity of a buy trade in the market. If you could see right here, all our indicators are giving us a buying opportunity. So I'm going to be entering this trade with $500 right at this particular level. I'm going to be entering this trade with $500 right here. So the first thing we saw right here before we take a trade is the consistency of a candlestick, which you have right at this particular point, and you can see they are above the moving average line. When they are above the moving average line, that is when you can be able to take a trade. Another thing we also put into consideration is our buying indicator. You can see we have a buying signal right here from our Supertrend indicator. The same thing with our Stochastic Oscillator. It's in the overbought condition, giving us another good signals to enter a trade. Another thing I really want to put your attention into is that anytime you want to place a trade, do ensure your Stochastic Oscillator line is moving directly from the oversold condition down to the overbought condition. That is when you can be able to get a very good signals to enter a trade. I hope you're getting that right. If you can see what we have right here, the market is in an uptrend. If you could look at it in a much higher time frame, the market is forming a higher high, a higher low, and we're expecting the market to go as a higher high. So randomly we can say that this market is in an uptrend. It is also safe for us to actually enter a buy trade. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say, right? So guys, that is all you just need to put into consideration anytime you are taking a trade. So right here we have a 10 seconds towards the end of this trade. Let's wait patiently and see how this trade will turn out to be, guys. So guys, we have 2 seconds towards the end of this trade. And as you can see right here, guys, we make a very good amount of money right here. We're able to take our account from $400 to $1,179. I hope you're getting that right. So this is a very powerful strategy and very accurate. I want you guys to try it out and let me know your result in the comment section. If you follow all this instruction I've laid down, you should be able to be profitable and be making a very good amount of money right in the market. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you how you can be able to trade this strategy and remain more profitable in the market. So guys, right here we're looking out for another buying opportunity in the market. I'm going to be entering this trade with $1,000 right at this particular level, guys. So the basic reasons why we're taking this trade is pretty much simple. Firstly, if you could see, the market is in the support level and we're expecting the market to move towards the resistance level right here. This is in a consolidated market, and as you can see right here, we have a consistency of a candlestick right at this particular point. We also see a signal, which is a buying signal from our Supertrend indicator, giving us a very good confirmation to enter the buy trade. And also our Stochastic Oscillator is in the overbought condition, which also gives us a very good signals to enter the trade. All these are what we considered before we place a trade right here, guys. So guys, we have 59 seconds towards the end of this trade. Let's wait patiently and see how this market will turn out to be, guys. So guys, we have 4 seconds towards the end of this trade. And as you can see right here, guys, we're actually on a very good win right at this particular point. So we're able to move our $400 trading account into $2,000 right at this particular point, guys. This strategy is a very powerful one, and I want you guys to try it out and let me know in the comment section what your results are. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this video. If you enjoyed these videos to this level, do ensure you give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you are here to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we release a video. If you think this content is helpful, do ensure you share it with your friend and your family members so they can also learn what you're learning from this channel, guys. Till I see you again in another video, keep trading, guys, and bye for now.